Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. You already need basic logic, a touch of statistics, and domain context. Once you confirm those, open a notebook and a simple spreadsheet or script editor. Start a focused 20-30-minute daily session. Do one small analysis problem now. This gets you moving and reveals gaps quickly. Make sure to note questions as you go. They become the map for targeted study, and avoid wasting time on irrelevant material. Once you have momentum, continue by decomposing problems into 3-5 concrete subquestions. This reduces complexity and directs evidence gathering. You should alternate between quick visuals like histograms or scatter plots and summary tables to surface patterns fast. Practice one analytical method each week: correlation, a basic hypothesis test, or causal mapping, and apply it end-to-end to a small dataset. Make sure to compare results across methods and question assumptions. That contrast teaches you when a technique fits or fails. To finish, synthesize your work into 3 clear takeaways and proposed next steps so the analysis is actionable. Then validate results with quick sanity checks. Do numbers add up? Do visuals match expectations? And if possible, get a brief peer review. If things go wrong, isolate the failing substep and test its assumptions one by one. Often a wrong input or misread variable is the culprit. Finally, document the fix and the lesson so you avoid the same trap next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.